Hi guys, it's Don from City Warmth. It's one of the radiators in your property not giving you any heat. In this quick video, we'll go into one of the reasons why that may be and how it is that you can fix that yourself. Alright people, so you're turning your TRV control left and right, up and down, but nothing's actually happened with the radiator, no heat getting through at all. Here's something you might not have known about TRVs and how they operate. When you rotate the TRV head left and right, you're actually moving a little brass pin on the radiator valve, moving that up and down, either letting water through or stopping it, a bit like a gate. Now what happens over time is a little brass pin inside the little brass body sits in the water and gets seized and won't move up and down anymore. But there are ways that we can fix this ourselves. The first thing we need to do is remove the TRV head. Turning the collar at the bottom of the TRV lefty-loosey or anti-clockwise, we can remove the plastic head from the valve. Then we want to get some sort of heavy object that you might have lying around the house, something a bit like a hammer. And then taking the side of the hammer, place it on top of the TRV valve. Your hammer is on top of the valve, push all your weight down onto it, until you can both hear and feel the pin underneath moving inside the waterways. When this is done, you can then put the TRV plastic head back on top of the valve, rotating the collar clockwise or righty-tighty to fully enclose it onto the brass body. And then you can go ahead and enjoy the warmth that you have put back into the radiator by turning the TRV head as you would normally, up and down, to get more or less heat. Good job.